You run. Bye bye.
Guys, help
Bye
me,
bye.
guys.
Bye bye. I love you. Bye bye.
Oy, ito may radyo ako, may radyo.
Really? Yo.
12 seconds later.
Wait, still man, he was enjoying. Look, play the music, play the music.
Oh, no. Yo, the way he moves. It drives with the feet, bro. Good tayo, straight. Oh, that's bad. Bad to die.
Oh, that's good content. Yo, there's so many. Uy, sa likod ko, bro. Sa likod ko.
Yeah, we need to leave, we need to leave.
Uy.
Uy. Uy, sige, winasan. Uy, namatay. Uy, namatay. Uy, boy. Kaibigan, namatay po, kaibigan. Kaibigan, kailangan ko natin ito.
I am at 1 health when I'm at 1 health.
Ay, paray na po si kaibigan.
Oh, that's good content.
Don't stop me.
Enjoying, look, play the music, play the music.
Oh, nga, no? Yeah, play. Yo, the way he moves. It drives with the feet, bro.
Uy, ano yun?
Damn.
Uy, sa likod ko, bro. Sa likod ko. What is happening, bro? Uy! Uy!
Uy, sige, winasan. Uy, namatay. Ay, paray na po si kaibigan. Wait lang. Okay. Wow, 2K!
Let's go.
Wait lang. Kailangan bili pa tayo ng gamit.
Uy, wala akong flashlight. Wala akong
Kaya nga,
flashlight.
bibili tayo, di ba?
Kinuha mo flashlight ko eh. Kinuha mo flashlight ko eh.
Ah. Uy, clean here! Uy, clean here! Grabe ka.
Di ako grabe, ikaw grabe. You
Ay.
saved me. Ay, sayang, gusto ko yun. Ay, akin na yan. Gusto ko yan. Gusto ko yun, yung boom mic, give me the boom mic. No, I don't want that. They give me the boom mic. It's stuck in the ground. It's stuck in the ground. It's actually stuck in the ground. Never mind, we're good.
Oh, intro.
Oh, intro.
1, 5, 3, go. Hello guys, welcome to this new video. And today we're going to the what's the name of this place? Diwata Paris, guys. Everybody, now we're gonna go. Let's go.
Oh, let's go. Four.
Guys, who killed JFK?
Whoa!
Uy, may aso.
Oh, aso ko yan eh. Hi, little puppy. How are you? Look. Okay, record me.
Uy,
Look.
yung
Aso
bumay.
ko yan.
Ay, wait. Guys, I'm at half health. Guys,
Where's Ben eh?
nasa half health ako. Hold on. Run!
Bakit tayo tatakbo? Oh my days. He's dead! What an idiot. What an actual bot. Get his flashlight.
Balik tayo.
We forgot the defibrillator. Wait, we need it.
Oo nga pala, may, diba?
Oh, you get it. Rescue mission 3. Ay, patay si boy. Patay si boy. He's back! Happy. Yo, he's dead.
I'm so happy. Ay!
You run!
Guys, help me, guys.
Bye-bye. I love you. Bye-bye.
He's right behind me.
He's actually gonna die.
Help!
Oh my days. Bye-bye po mga kababayan.
Akit na tayo, boy. Akit na. Akit.
Oh, nasa na si Fonzie?
Is acid killing si boy. Yun. Go.
Help video, anda deh, we're going to the... What's the name?
Diwata Paris, guys.
Uy, may aso.
Oh, aso ko yan eh. Hi, little puppy. How are you? Look. Okay, record me. Look. Aso ko yan. Tumakbo bigla.
Ay, patay
Oh, ayun,
boy.
nandun. Oh, patay si Boy T-Bag.
He's back!
He's back! Oh my days. Bye-bye po mga kababayan.
What?
Akit na tayo, boy. Akit na.
Say what?
Camera left.
This is me after a day's in work. So today,
Oh, Bene. Nasa, ikaw, wait lang, yung camera mo,
Hold on, can I order something? Hold on.
Order you order.
Reporter mic.
Hindi, masaganda yung boom mic, oh.
Really? Oh, yeah, alright.
Dito yung boom mic.
Hello?
Ano ang reporter mic para mas maganda yung quality?
Reporter bike.
Really?
Oh, tayo, oh. Record mo to.
uy, ba't mo ko sinasama, boy?
Big man! O, sino yan? O, si Gavin. Di tayo makikita niyan. Oy! Oh my God!